Just received this package from FedEx, so let's open it up and have a look inside. And shout out to jlcpcb.com, the sponsor of this video, but more about them later in the video. Let's open up the package. It's very nicely packed. Ah, you can already see them. That's cool. I must say they put a lot of effort into packing it. Ooh, it looks nice. Whoa. There are 5 of them. So let's dive into reviewing those components and the features of the PCB. I designed this printed circuit board exactly as a motherboard in PC, so that I can connect additional parts on top of it, exactly like in a PC. You know, you have the motherboard, and then you can connect some graphics card, and then CPU and additional RAM and additional components on top of it, and you can upgrade, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do with this PCB. I have prepared this main chip, which I can slide or push right on top of it, and then here's the battery connector. Here I can put voltage regulator, and a massive change is this Raspberry Pi, which will provide additional computational power for some AI stuff, including like object detection and recognition, and I will just connect it with this cable. Yeah, something like that. This is a quick representation of how it will everything look inside the robot, and I hope to get rid of all of these cables, which can cause some burning. And this is all possible thanks to JLC PCB, who provided these beautiful PCBs. I've got 5 of them, so I can make some copies of the robot, or I was thinking about the drone. That one is cool. So let's talk about JLC PCB for a moment. When designing a PCB, double check that you've got everything in there that you want, and also double check if everything is connected the way it's supposed to be. After that, you can export the bill of materials, PCB fabrication file, aka the Gerber files, and pick and place files. Then you can head to jlcpcb.com, click on the instant quote, upload your Gerber files, and it should automatically set those settings depending on the Gerber file you upload. So just check everything. We also want the PCB assembly. We don't wanna, you generally don't want to assemble it yourself. It's gonna be a big pain. You also need to sign in, so just sign in. And I must honestly say, JLC PCB's got some of the lowest prices on the market that I've seen, while maintaining some of the highest quality, and I was really amazed by how quick it was. It took only 6 business days from ordering to receiving it, including the shipping. And they've got a big, a tremendous library. They've got about 5.9 million parts, closing in on 6 million, so you've got pretty much everything. You can really choose from pretty much every component that you like. And I'm totally satisfied with the service that they provided, so again, big thanks for JLC PCB for sponsoring this video. And for the past couple of months I've had big problems with wires and all the connections around here in the robot, where any slight touch could basically, yeah, it happened again, could basically restart the whole system. And basically the whole program, because the power connection, there is something wrong with it. And that sound is when the motor is booting up. Yeah, again, so you need to be really careful with it, not to restart the whole system, because it's not very reliable. But with the new PCB provided by jlcpcb.com, I hope it will all change and we can get rid of this problem completely. But firstly, I'm gonna need to design and build brand new body, this chassis part for Rovi, for the robot, so that I can fit this PCB and Raspberry Pi and a couple of other things inside it. It shouldn't be a problem. It'll probably take me a couple of days, maybe 2 to 3 days, and I'll get back to you.